Welcome to the chairman television station for inside Obodo the world. Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195. And this now the Ogbonge politic discussion show where we say the topic they always they come out smoke. As it dey hot. Today on top of us it dey hot. We carry topic when we say plenty people don't wear recommended glass, they look. And what will be the topic? Let us say after the presidential election, when Oga Muhammadu Buhari of APC win, say the petroleum minister, Madam Dizani Alison Madueke, say she wake up one early morning, follow backyard, enter the house of Oga Abdulsalami Abubakar, when be former president of Nigeria. And some people thought say for this visit, say she go arrange some kind things so that when Oga Buhari sit down on top of the chair, her case no go be like stories that touch the heart. Other people come talk say nothing wrong to go visit person when be like papa to you. Say the visit when she go visit is a normal visit. On top of us, the hot today. We want chook mouth on top of the matter when we say since after this visit, NNPC come they get some kind of alert when we say nobody know where the money they come from. We go look whether Kurukere dey inside this movement or whether as e be na so e be. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi, and as usual I no dey alone inside this matter. I dey with my brother when sabi well as e dey concern this matter as e dey hot.
Yes, now the program don't carry come now the month as usual. My name is Nkubi, and for our viewers who they watch us, we will stay open. We will open our phone line halfway into the program for now to also chook mouth into the matter. Men and also forget say we get 3 solid telephone line for now and 1 toll-free line. Toll-free line we say now go call, now go talk, now go express now feeling. But the payment to call now we go do it. Now we go take care of them. This now as it is hot.
Yes, they talk say. Waiting person no dey fear. He no go talk say he dey fear am. Oga Dizani Alison Madueke don come and talk say she step on so many toes based on say she wan arrange our oil sector. Now why some people no like her face and they wan make she see pepper. Other people come talk say madam, so many money is missing and that money when they miss you go answer for am. We go begin to discuss this matter and as Nkubi don't talk, you sef get right to talk am as e dey be you for body. We dey on top of Twitter too at TV as e dey hot. If you reach us on top of that one, and we get a website where if you send us email as e dey hot at wazobiatv.tv so that the full Nigeria go hear you as you dey talk your own talk. Nkubi, make we no waste time.
You talk say wetin person dey fear, say something no fear am. Wetin you talk? Wetin you take start that talk?
I say wetin person no dey fear. He no go fear am. You understand?
Why come is now she come they complain say there are cabals where they behind her this on success.
Because we know all this.
On success.
Nkubi, we know all this.
When she did for government, why she not even come out, spill them out, talk and say, okay, see what that happen. There are people who say they don't want my progress. Make it even mention names. Nothing stops you from mentioning names. We don't see people who mention names in the past. If you mention names, then nothing will happen to you. Then the investigation go follow up. Then we know say yes, okay, then I throw na lie they talk. But now we say, it just like say, okay, now medicine after death case now. Why come now she can't raise the issue?
You see, I go break the thing down because this thing, as something I suppose don't talk and sense, but I just wait. I go talk on today. Now, for Nigeria, we all understand. Say, you get some kind of people when we say that they control government. These people fit necessarily no they involved for government. Now, the reason why these people go fit control government, we say, if you look the economy of our country, these people that they pull weight. We know this, you know this, I know this. Now, these people, through maybe their partners when they're outside this country and some cronies when they get inside government, they spoil the work of government because they know, say, excuse me, sir, let me land.
Hold on.
Don't come and excuse me.
Let me ask you this
Don't
question.
ask me any question.
Let me ask you a question.
Let me finish what I'm saying before you ask me any question.
Okay, right.
No, they ever tell me, no, they ever cut me for middle of talk when I talk. You cut me, they tell me, say, you want to ask me a question. You allow me finish what I want to talk. You know this thing when I talk.
Chukwudi.
What about the people?
No, I don't cut you. Oh, yeah. React.
No, they ever cut me on top. Me and you go get problem.
Chuku, you don't do
and they talk, you cut me, cut them. You want to ask me a question. Now cut with it. Why you allow me to talk my talk finish?
Right.
I must finish this talk. Because this thing they pay me. You self know, like I know, say, it gets some people when say, for this country.
Wait, make I even ask you. I'm not going to even allow you to talk. May I ask you this question? Because just they talk, say, I just they cut you. May I ask you this question? If you say this current ruling party win this election, she will still come and talk all this way she talk.
What be she go
all this is for not stay hidden or she will not stay hold all this.
Which hidden? We don't know.
What did make her all this? 11th hour waka, which the waka, which the waka, what is she the waka for?
We don't know all this thing before. You know
why she can't dey so bold? Can't they talk about this way? Why she not talking about that way? That way before?
Because people don't they slander her name.
Then they slander her name that time.
Because she was.
Why she not come and defend herself?
She was concentrating on her job. Then they slander her name now, and she won't make the record clear. Unkubi, you know this thing, not they deny.
No,
some people in this country when we say, they just get money anyhow. We don't know where their money come from.
They talk.
Where this people money come
from? Allegations come. There was the $10 million allegation. Say she take do it. She take and buy plane.
Ask yourself, how person go use $10 million from our country?
How well did she defend? How well did she defend herself? How well did she defend herself?
You are basing your argument on assumption.
Assumption. Now me talk am.
That's a fallacy.
Now me talk am.
You dey join.
Investigate. No. Bring. Okay. How they take? See, no, say she buy this in the first place.
Wait.
They carry the matter go house. Fine. A larger section of the house talk say yes. And they say they don't clear them. That larger section of the house will clear them. Under what platform were they?
Under which platform?
Because that is what it is.
Oh.
Even if you commit crime, as long as say for a household, the people when you die with under the ruling party they will still defend you. They won't cover your ass. That is what it is.
That's a fat lie.
That's
a fat lie.
What makes it?
Because for inside the house, they set up. They not set up committee. They set up committee to look into this matter.
Why will still get on that? Why will still get people they come out to talk say this way they do? They don't do it well. Make them research this thing well.
Now see for this country, people go just come and just talk anyhow. They go just talk anyhow. Now so somebody come and talk say, Oga President spend 2 trillion on top of campaign.
Okay,
who could be common sense, logic tells us that how person go come from country money? Go buy $10 million naira private jet. $10 million.
I've no one talk about this.
$10 million go be one naira.
Hold on, I've no one talk about this since. You mentioned say accusation come and say Oga President will spend 2 trillion. Okay, more can look
a fallacious statement.
A big fat lie. More can look the follow-up drama. We follow up.
We follow up.
Okay. We first hear the case say they spend 2 trillion. Somehow, we can't say if it be true or if it not be true. What to follow them afterwards? They sack the IG. On what ground?
Which
on
ground?
the ground say he not deliver to who? To the ruling party.
That's a very
part of it in the paper. Part of it is.
I will not allow you to confuse the people at home. How you go tell me say the IG when they sack? Now because I say no deliver. Now the IG they vote. Now the IG they vote. When Oga President don't allow system for this country. When we say Nigerians go come out and they vote for Edo State, Osun State, Anambra State, Ondo State, Ekiti State.
Based on how they want to they play the game.
That's a big fat lie. That's a big fat lie.
Oh, lift your tab up before you go even spoil the whole thing.
That's a big fat lie.
It's never a big fat lie.
It's a big fat lie. You will come and tell the full Nigerians.
There is an element of truth in what everybody says.
It's a lie.
There's an element of truth in the kind of things people spill out.
It is a very big lie. It is a fat lie. And you are lying on this show. And I will make sure that I expose you so that the full Nigerians will hear you.
I don't get any corruption allegation. I won't take expose me.
This woman talk and say, make we even look the petroleum sector. We know say for a very long time. I go speak English now. I don't vex. Endemic and systematic corruption don dey rooted inside our petroleum sector. You no go deny this one. Remember wetin happen during the period of the oil subsidy when we say some people when they claim say they be marketers they go just sit down
the subsidy approach. What difference did it bring to the nation?
Which one difference?
Of course.
Which one difference? Who be the people when they collect the money?
Wetin how they reflect
for the economy?
Wetin I want they say they will channel them to. We see the essence of the whole first subsidy.
We have started from somewhere. Nigeria gained independence on the 1st of October 1960. Different governments I don't rule this country, including military government. We get government when come, they bring out plan to use say they go repair this sector. We never see reforms. Petroleum where?
Now you see we still lose like 40% of our crude. 40% of our crude oil almost every day. Yeah, imagine.
Could be PIB.
Address to that.
Petroleum industry bill. When they don't revise, when they don't reform. You know they for legislature. What did they don't do about that?
The oil will they lose every day.
A handful of people go they chop Nigeria money.
Then they refine sector.
A handful of people go they chop Nigeria money.
We still lose oil every day.
We had a president that wants change. A president that wants to reform the Nigerian society. A man that wants to scratch out all the bad practices in our society. And make the ordinary Nigerian enjoy. But some people no go agree. The cabal, Nkubi, we know these people. These people, they want to force a cabalocracy on our democracy, but we are going to resist it. We are not going to accept it.
It is when you see.
We are not going to accept it.
I won't see a cabal coming to ruin the system if the system is not working well.
You say what?
When the system is working well, this cabal can afford to say yes. There's no point getting myself involved in this.
That's a big fat lie. Because the cabal go do everything when they fit do to use make sure say the reforms no work. I just mentioned the petroleum industry bill. When we say they don't reform, they don't revise, they don't carry and go to the National Assembly. For 2 years, it has been languishing there. True or false?
Why good that?
Meanwhile,
why good
excuse me, let me land.
Meanwhile, whose responsibility is it to approve to them?
Now, not be the people when we elect, when go represent us.
So why they not approve to them?
Thank you very much.
If they not approve to them, you just say there is one or two things where they wrong about the reform.
How one or two things go they wrong about
that? For them not to approve it.
Okay, people wey come to say okay, say people wey don't serve this country before, maybe governors, maybe people wey occupy some very important position for government, maybe they pay them lifetime pension. Now that one is something no dey wrong inside, abi. Now that one is something no dey wrong inside. Governance is like a machine. Government be like clock. Forget say Oga President sit down for the top. He get some people when we say they ensure say government they work. If these people no play their own small part, when we say if you join them together, we go make the thing go forward. It go be like say Oga President don't know they work. Some of these people they no want make it work.
We don't see the
and
result.
We know them.
We don't
and
see the
we
result.
expose them.
We don't see the result.
Which result una see?
Upon all your particles where you take join together, say clock and all that, we see any results?
Which result una see? When people no allow patriotic favor.
Hold on, Joe. Alex, they call us. Alex is calling us from ABJ. Good morning, Alex.
Call the ABJ fool. No, they call ABJ.
Abuja, good morning, Alex.
Hello, good morning, Kubi.
Good morning. Yes. No.
Kubi, I will talk to him. Tell him. I will give you points.
Because of insecurity. You don't hear me?
With a year.
Hello?
With a year, right on.
And then you could know this election because of insecurity. Or some of the officials where they head. Good Lord, now president. Then some there's young Ireland where they visit people now. And every time they invite that woman to come and detect whether they happen for the petroleum department where not bring go.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, Alex.
Now you in the talk.
Now you in the address to John.
Now you in the address. You thank her.
Now you Chukudi.
You hear her? Chukudi, thank you very much for telling Nkubi. Now what in the talk now?
Chukudi. If I say
okay, Alex, thank you very much. Don't make important
point. See what
point.
now Alex talk.
What he talk?
How many times they invite the Z make it come for house where she go? Now she gonna take Kabal, they take claim hand. Because of say waiting, because of say the government, under the government should they work? No enter again. Because until they enter, you for not even see anything.
There was a court order.
Complain.
There was a court order, and you must abide by court order. Matter when they court, they discuss them anyhow. Make we go, Uyo, collect this call from Evie. Evie, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Evie.
I beg, tell Nkubi, one arm.
Tell him.
One arm.
No, they point me. Right on.
Nkubi and Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I beg, I will greet the two of you now. Well for the job owner they do.
Thank you very much, sir.
First of all, before we talk about what they happen for Nigeria, make I let the two of you know now they expose Nigeria for us.
Thank you very much.
They open up everything where they happen, you media people. I agree to now well.
Thank you, sir.
And if you tell you a lie, this government, that David, they look very well now. Now they're supposed to pay all those money where they scatter for every year. So, look who come to the matter of today. This woman, our
petroleum minister.
Let I tell you the truth. We get somebody like that before, Dora Akuili, na Gigi she be for the NAFDAC.
Thank you.
She, during her period where she they work, they pursue her, they do all nonsense because she they try to kill nonsense so they happen for our country. And at the same time when the thing they happen, she they come outside openly and she they let them know see what they attack her. We they see sometimes we go hear some kind of things what happen to the woman. But why if you say this one, ever since if she not say people they back where they follow up and down for all this kind of thing, why she not open up? Why if you
thank you.
They can't talk say what that's the kind of people?
Evan, thank you.
They can't talk say this. I beg, go on and leave her. We they wait after May 29. we dey wait for the next action. And we pray for our Baba, make we know the way everything go work for us.
Thank you.
That man entering there, and I got that divine intervention from God. So make we wait, make we see what thing go happen.
Thank you very much, Oga Evi. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Chukudi, see am.
I happy say this man.
See am.
Waiting be waiting.
See am, viewers. See you, viewers, see am.
Waiting.
See am.
Waiting.
The first caller, the second caller.
Which first caller, second caller?
No point.
Which first caller, second
Talk,
caller?
talk.
Oga Alex talk.
Alex talk wetin.
Hey!
Alex talk wetin. Alex talk
You want to
wetin.
rig something for my very, very eye.
Chukudi.
So this is how you are.
Something wey you take our own eye.
So this is how you are.
Okay,
make we collect Isa from Abuja. Oga Isa, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Isa.
Yeah, good morning.
Abeg, chook mouth.
This matter, let me tell Chukudi, the talk when they talk, it don't make sense at all.
Thank you.
Now you in the talk to now.
This petroleum of ATO they talk. Okay, more we forget about petroleum self. Look the matter of all our ministers. Since when Oga Jonade, he don't change minister like 3. For education, he don't change minister 3 times. CIG, he don't change IG. So this oil matter what they even talk about now, self. See, more forget about Kaba. Things what he's supposed to do, he knows one.
Thank you.
So the two they even vex me about and say just that people were around them, not be them. So I beg, more pray as if our Baba they come. We pray may do something better.
Now everybody pray be that too.
I beg, more pray.
Isa, thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir.
Make I quickly address what your guy Isa talk. No. I want to address what your guy Isa talk. Now, Oga Isa they talk say the industry but we must understand that the petroleum industry. Remember say until Oga Jonah come. Now that will be our only primary source of income. Before income come look the economy. Excuse me.
You are deviating.
Excuse me.
You are deviating.
Excuse me. Let me land.
We are addressing a particular issue. Don't deviate.
Let me land.
Don't deviate.
We know say this cabal when we say we all saw what happened in this country during the height of the subsidy protest. People when we say they know say now from there they collect money.
Tell me what was the essence of the fuel subsidy?
We have opened up the economy. Especially the petroleum sector.
Where you take
we
your
have taken back thousands
of
of dollars and millions of dollars from the cabal.
Where he did?
Nigerians are seeing the fruit
Why
of
they not
all
come
of
and
this?
tell Nigeria say these are the amounts they don't collect from cabal? Where they channel this fund to?
Because the cabal have been
What
seriously fighting. The cabal have been seriously fighting the government. The cabal.
You must see the relevance of something before you go come and talk about it.
Make we go reverse. Olagoke. Remember say Kokoro Tinja for it there for no while.
Akoko. Olagoke, good morning.
You see him?
Now you.
You see him?
Olagoke,
you see him? Meanwhile, in point now straight to the point. He won't make one very, very straight point. Say,
because you don't read the mind.
Unkubi, they don't just like the human face.
No, you don't read the
They don't just like the human face.
Chukudi.
Oga Jonah, at the verse.
Waiting behind.
Oga Jonah pick people when we say they qualified, competent, efficient, people of high capability.
Olagoke, they call us back. Good morning, Olagoke.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Olagoke from River State.
Yeah, they hear you right on.
Yes, I'm calling from Bonny Island.
Okay.
Yeah, Oga Chukudi.
Sir.
Yeah, now I want to talk to this man.
Thank you very much.
As you dey come from Bonny Island, I know say you sabi well about oil, and you go make plenty points. Thank you.
In fact,
You hear him? You see him? He don't already make the first point.
Hold on now.
I've been always bad on Ukubi.
Would they hear?
Yeah, Oga Chukudi.
Right on.
Are you in the talk to?
Yes, Oga Kubi. Yes, I say, especially you, now you really want to talk to this morning.
Okay.
I want to congratulate you for winning all the election where you don't win.
Thank you very much. That is one.
The issues are come. Hello?
Would they hear? Right on.
Yes, I think that woman, Mrs. Maduke, that woman needs to be put behind the bar.
Oh.
Let's be honest. That woman was.
This is somebody calling from the root. That is where these oils they come from. Right on.
It be like say you sabi the cabal.
You said?
It be like say you sabi the cabal.
Right on.
No, Because how many billions don't lost for NNPC?
But they don't do their investigation now. The committees don't come and talk, say nothing like that.
Who are the major people that feels?
For where?
Thank you very much.
Who tell you they don't do the
Abi?
Hello?
Uncle, look, they hear you, right on.
Yes, Ukubi.
Yes.
Just it is May 29. We don't know who be who for this.
Okay.
Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much.
You see,
Chukwudi, there is no point beating about the bush.
This is
your talk, no hold water. If you like, bring her from every angle.
You see, what I don't notice.
Hey!
This is a
Nigerians are calling.
This is a calculated and well orchestrated plot. You understand? By the cabal to do what? To play kalo with Nigerians medulla oblongata. Now waiting this thing there about be this. Now waiting there about be this. Because let make Nigerians they see. You see, I don't they talk argumentum ad ignorantia.
Look. Okay, quickly. I'll go okay. Good morning.
Hello, Mr. Chukwudi. Good morning.
Good morning, I'll go okay.
Good morning, Mr. Unkovi.
Yes.
How are they?
We're fine.
Okay, I want you more.
Okay.
First of all, we need to thank this woman because she don't try, no doubt about that, because nobody where they will give posts, we will hear complaint.
Oh, thank you, especially from the cabal.
Hello. She don't really work. But the area where they blame her is saying, why she not mention all this cabal then? Why she mention it now? That's the area concerned, because if they do work, then you get disturbance, you get people who know they allow you to do the work.
Okay.
Just come and plan, say it then so that nobody will blame you. So that's my own contribution this morning. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ogoke. Thank you very, very much. This is okay point. We go share on 50-50.
We know they share on 50-50.
We go share on 50-50.
Ogoke don't drop in point, and I mean give the point.
And in the air, because say, when she knows say he gets on cabals where they involved, why she not come and talk?
You go mind yourself for all this show.
Why?
You go mind yourself.
Why?
Our people went there for house. We go quickly rush, enter break. Nkubi need to go speak because he be like say he mad on the dry. When we come back, we'll continue this discussion as see the hot.
Me.
Nkubi, you know this cabal, but you know what to say the truth. You know the cabal.